KinzeyRae. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Let's go ahead and jump straight into this glueless wig from UNice Hair. So before we get into the details of the hair, here's what came inside of the box. They sent over a wig cap and a cute pink silk robe that I'll definitely be getting a lot of wear out of. So this wig comes pre-plucked and it's glueless, so this is perfect for beginners, especially for people who don't want to be bothered with the meltdown process and everything. You're just looking for a quick alternative. Just throw a wig on and you're out the door. And this wig comes with lots of security. It has clips, it has an adjustable strap, so even though it's glueless, it will not be going anywhere. This wig has transparent HD lace, which I am loving. Like I said, you can literally throw it on and you are ready to go. I have all of the information and links to this hair in my description box, so definitely check that out and let's get into the install. I'm starting off with just putting on that wig cap that was included in the packaging, and we're not doing no meltdown, we're not doing any of that because this is literally going to be an easy install. I'm using some of my foundation and I'm just applying that to the lace of the hair, and this is just so that it can blend in with my hairline and everything just look nice and seamless. After applying my foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. After the wig was on, I just adjusted the straps and made sure that the clips were in place and everything was nice and comfortable. I pulled the front of the wig down to get it into a spot where I wanted it. I actually ended up pulling it down a little bit more. After everything is nice and in place, I'm just going to put it back into a ponytail, and this way I can work on the baby hair that they have pre-cut in the front. And I'm going to be using this olive oil setting foam by ORS to lay my edges down. And y'all, to be honest, I am not a baby hair girly. When it comes to baby hairs, like, I can do my own, but when I'm trying to do it on a wig, like, it don't be coming together. So I'm so glad that they already came pre-plucked and pre-cut. So literally all I had to do was add the setting foam, lay them down. I also used some of that setting foam to set the top of my hair where the part is, and just make sure all of the hairs are laying down and set in place. And then I'm going to be taking an elastic band and just setting everything in place while I work on the rest of my hair. Now let's go ahead and get into styling the hair. For the styling process, I'll pretty much just be adding water, moisturizer, and a little bit more of that setting foam. So I just spray the water onto my hair and just make sure it's nice and saturated. And then I'm taking some moisturizer. And the moisturizer that I'll be using is by Lotta Body. I apply that to my hair as well. And I just take my brush and detangle everything. So I'll go ahead and do that, and then I'll catch back up with you guys when I'm defining the curls. So after I'm done adding all of my products, I'm going to take just different sections of the hair and I'm going to twist them around my finger, and this is just to define the curls a little more and just kind of make them clump together. And to me, this just gives the hair like a fuller look. It just makes everything look more, I don't know, juicy. So yeah, I'm going to go through this section and all of the rest of the sections of my hair and just define the curls and just get everything how I like it. Alright, so now that the curls are nice and defined and juicy, I'm going to be using a hot comb just to lay down the front of my hair and just make sure everything is nice and sleek and smooth. And I didn't take the hot comb too far down my hair because I didn't want to straighten out the curls, but I just wanted to lay down that area where my part was and just make everything flat. After that, I just added some setting foam just to set everything in place, and then we're going to go ahead and move on to layering the hair. Now when it comes to cutting hair, I'm definitely not an expert, girl. I just be going with the flow, but I did find these, I don't know what you call it, but it's a comb and it has like little razors on the inside of it. So basically I just take sections of the hair and I'm just using that comb to create layers. I think what saves me is that this is curly hair, so at the end of the day the layers doesn't have to be perfect because it's gonna curl up and it's gonna all look nice at the end of the day. But I would suggest to maybe not follow my cutting skills because I really don't have any. So after I finished cutting my hair, I just went back in and re-wet those pieces that I had just cut because they got a little frizzy. So I wet them and then I just finger coiled them again. Now we're getting to the final steps. I'm taking my blow dryer to dry it and also to give it some volume. I saw a girl on TikTok, she said to point the dryer like upwards and this will give your hair volume. So I pointed it upwards and then I just scrunched the hair because I like big hair. And this was probably my favorite part. I just took my fingers and just shake the hair and I separated a few of the curls, but as you can see this hair is gorgeous. Like it is so pretty. So this will definitely be one of my go-to wigs this summer. It's just the curls are there. The curls are there. Now I'm taking some oil and I'm going to apply this all over my hair, and this is just to get rid of some of the frizziness. I want the hair big but I don't want it frizzy, so I'm just using this to just kind of tame the hair a little bit. Now for the final touches, I'm just going to go ahead and take the elastic band off, and I took a comb to comb through the baby hairs because they were stuck to my head and I want them to be like kind of wispy, so I just combed through them just a little bit. And then I took a little bit of my foundation and just applied it to the part of the hair. But pretty much after that, sister, you are ready to go. So this whole process only took me about 30 minutes. It could take you a lot less. You definitely don't have to go in and like define the curls or anything. You can put the wig on, wet it, and go. But I just like mine to look a certain way when it comes to like the ends of the hair and stuff. But here's how the hair turned out. I think it looks so nice, y'all. I definitely will be rocking glueless wigs all summer. And plus, it's just so much better for your hair. You don't have to worry about, you know, the glue getting stuck to your edges or anything like that. So this will be perfect for if you're trying to grow your hair, a perfect like protective style. So shout out to UNice. I would definitely recommend checking out this hair. I have all of the information about this hair in my description box along with the link and discount, so definitely check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave them below and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.